In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free Go high-level snapshot templates. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find them, how to access them, and how to spin up a ready-to-use sub-account without paying a cent. First, sign in to your Go high-level account on a desktop browser for the best experience. Make sure your user has agency-level access. If you log in and can only see a single location dashboard, you likely need to switch views or request the proper permissions from your account owner. Next, switch to the agency view. You'll find the view switcher near the top or left side of the interface. Snapshots are managed at the agency level, so this switch is key. If you stay in a single sub-account view, you won't see the snapshot options we need. Once you're in agency view, open the section called Account Snapshots. Depending on interface updates, it may appear in your main navigation. This is the hub where you can manage your own snapshots and access the template library provided by Go high-level. Inside Account Snapshots, select the Snapshot Templates area. This is where Go high-level curates free, ready-built templates for common industries and use cases. You can browse by niche, skim through descriptions, and compare what each template includes. If you see a search bar or filters, use them to quickly narrow down your options. When you find a template you like, click Create Sub-Account. This tells Go high-level to generate a new location preloaded with that template's funnels, workflows, pipelines, forms, and settings. A short setup wizard may prompt you to name the sub-account and confirm basic details like country and time zone. Choose a clear, descriptive name so you can identify it easily later. Then confirm to start the import. The system will build the new sub-account and copy in all assets from the template. This can take a moment. Feel free to let it run. Creating a sub-account from these templates is free, and you can repeat the process for additional niches as needed. After the import completes, open your new sub-account to review what was included. You'll typically see funnels, automations, calendars, and other resources pre-configured. Treat this as your starting point. Update branding, adjust copy, and confirm any regional settings before inviting clients or running live campaigns. That's it. Log in, switch to agency view, open account snapshots, go to snapshot templates, and create a sub-account from the template you want. Follow along and you'll have a working setup in minutes.